Oh, how long have you been here? How you going, guys? John here, the Ordinary Explorer. Today I'm going to be talking about my Crashpad Sleep System. Now, I've done an unboxing previously on the channel. I've just finished the field test. I have used it a few times just to get used to it, and I'm sort of giving you the results of the average out of the 3 or 4 times that I have used it. Yeah, it was a really cold night last night in dwelling up, so I thought it would be a really good chance to see how well this actually goes. In the Crashpad Sleep System, obviously there's many different setups that you can use for it. Because it's winter, I went with the whole thing together as a winter bag. So they say that this inside one is a winter bag, and obviously with that on the outside it is a super winter bag, if that's what you want to call it. So last night I started in the middle with 2 layers underneath me, 2 layers on top. I think it was about 2 o'clock in the morning. I actually got a little bit warm, so I undone the side zipper. Still feeling a bit warm, so I actually slept in between in this top layer here, and it was awesome. Yeah, so for cold nights, that's a massive plus. I am really interested to see how it goes in summertime, because I am quite a warm sleeper. So I'm just wondering if this might even be too much in summertime, but I might end up just sleeping on top of it anyway. Now, I did sleep in just my undies. I had the fly screen open, as you could see here, just to really test the bag out, and I was really impressed. As I said before, started sleeping in this middle warm layer. It's just got that slightly different fleecy sort of material. Yeah, as I got warmer, I went up. If it was to get colder, I easily could have gone down as well, which would give you 3 big layers on top of you. So look, last night was pretty close to 0. It doesn't get much colder than that here in WA, especially around the Perth sort of areas. As a single person just using this bag, you could easily go down and have these 3 big layers on top of you. Now, all in all, I am pretty impressed at how this sleeping bag has performed so far. It's not only functional, as in it keeps you warm like it is supposed to, it is really comfy. I'm really impressed. I'm probably going to use it a couple more times, and then I might give it a bit of a wash, and we'll see how the fabric holds up after a wash, because most things feel really nice when they're brand new, but it's over washing it a few times that you really see what the quality is. So, but yeah, for now, yeah, really impressed. I think it's money well spent on this. I can't wait to use it over and over again. That was the recap of the Crashpad Sleep System performance test. It's done really well. Really impressed with that. Now, for those of you that haven't already, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Help me out. If there's anything you want to know, either about the sleep system or about any of the other gear that you might see in my videos, please hit me up in the comments. I'll either do a video or I'll just reply to you. So, alright guys, for now, stay ordinary. Cheers.